Hey folks, Ben here with Steadybit. Let us talk about a common question we receive here, which is how do you incorporate chaos engineering into your day-to-day and specifically into CI/CD pipelines? Now, to illustrate this, we have this very simple experiment with the ID GitHub 17. And we just want to integrate it into our CI/CD pipeline to get started. You have two options there. You could use the REST API of Steadybit, or you could use the ready-made GitHub action, which is named Steadybit run experiment. You have to pass in the access token as well as the ID of the experiment that you would like to run. And in this case, it is a manual execution, but you could also put this on a cron job or incorporate this into your other deployment pipelines. When executed, it will be stating what is the execution ID, what is the outcome of the experiment, and then within the Steadybit UI, this looks as if you have executed it normally. Now, this is really helpful to get started, but you need to be aware that as part of an automatic execution and an automatic attack on your system, you also need to automatically verify the outcome. And this is where checks come in. We do have a blog post on this, in which you can see that in order to integrate something into CI/CD, you need to have a lot more assertions and verifications, similar to how you do in testing. You can read more about this in the blog post, and you can also see what kind of checks we support within our reliability hub that is showing you all the checks we support, as well as some use cases for it. I hope you found this useful. See you next time.